हेलो दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ 50 इंपॉर्टेंट बैंकिंग MCQ क्वेश्चंस, जिसको समझकर आप अपने बैंक के एग्जाम को आसानी से पास कर सकते हैं। बस आपको मेरे बताए हुए सभी क्वेश्चंस को अच्छे से पढ़ना, समझना है और फ्यूचर में और भी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस की वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। Question 1. Which is the largest commercial bank in India by assets and branches? C. State Bank of India. Question 2. Reserve Bank of India was established in which year? A. 1935. Question 3. Which bank was India's first bank? B. Bank of Hindustan. Question 4. What is the minimum amount required to open a basic savings bank deposit account? B. No minimum deposit. Question 5. Which among the following banks is a foreign bank? B. Citibank. Question 6. What is the full form of NEFT? A. National Electronic Fund Transfer. Question 7. The maximum amount of check that can be issued is C. No limit. Question 8. What does TDS stand for in banking? B. Tax deducted at source. Question 9. Who owns the majority stake in State Bank of India? C. Government of India. Question 10. What is the role of the Reserve Bank of India? D. All of the above. Question 1. What kind of account is used by farmers for agricultural loans? C. Kisan Credit Card Account. Question 2. What does CRR stand for in banking? A. Cash Reserve Ratio. Question 3. Which bank was formed by merging Bank of Bengal, Bank of Bombay, and Bank of Madras? B. State Bank of India. Question 4. What is the minimum capital adequacy ratio fixed by RBI for banks? C. 12%. Question 5. Which of the following is a development bank? A. IFCI. Question 6. What is meant by the bank rate? A. Interest rate at which RBI lends to commercial banks. Question 7. What is the maximum limit for deposits in small accounts? C. Rupees 50,000. Question 8. Which of the following is not a function of commercial banks? C. Issuing currency notes. Question 9. Who issues currency notes in India? B. Reserve Bank of India. Question 10. What is the full form of ATM? A. Automatic teller machine. Question 21. Which of the following is a private sector bank? B. HDFC Bank. Question 22. What is an NRI account? A. Bank account for non-resident Indians. Question 23. What is a demand draft? A. A written order to pay a certain amount on demand. Question 24. What is the role of NABARD? A. Gives loans to agriculture and rural sectors. Question 25. What is the main objective of the Atal Pension Yojana? A. Social security to the unorganized sector. Question 26. What is the full form of RTGS? A. Real-time gross settlement. Question 27. The headquarters of Reserve Bank of India is located at A. Mumbai. Question 28. What is the function of the SIRB? A. Provides finance to small-scale industries. Question 29. What does KYC stand for in banking? A. Know your customer. Question 30. What is an RTGS transaction? A. Electronic transfer of funds in real time and gross basis. Question 31. Which bank was nationalized first in India? D. Allahabad Bank. Question 32. What is the rate at which banks borrow money from RBI called? B. Repo rate. Question 33. The concept of universal banking was first introduced in India by C. ICICI Bank. Question 34. Who regulates the non-banking financial companies NBFCs in India? B. Reserve Bank of India. Question 35. Which of the following is a cooperative bank? C. Saraswat Bank. Question 36. What is the role of the banking ombudsman? A. Redressal of customer complaints against banks. Question 37. The urgent financial assistance provided by RBI to banks facing liquidity issues is called B. Lender of last resort. Question 38. What is the purpose of priority sector lending? A. Lending to sectors like agriculture and small businesses. Question 39. Which act governs the functioning of regional rural banks, RRBs? C. Regional Rural Banks Act, 1976. Question 40. What does ECS stand for in banking? A. Electronic. Question 41. Which of the following is a short-term financial institution in India? A. NABARD. Question 42. What is meant by banker's check? A. A check issued by a bank on behalf of a customer. Question 43. What is the full form of MICR? A. Magnetic ink character recognition. Question 44. Which of the following is not an e-banking service? C. Branch banking. Question 45. What is the maximum amount claimable under the Banking Ombudsman Scheme? B. Rupees 10 lakh. Question 46. What percentage of share capital do sponsor banks hold in regional rural banks? C. 75%. Question 47. What is meant by a non-performing asset, NPA? A. A loan that is not generating income for more than 90 days. Question 48. Can an illiterate person open a bank account in India? A. Yes. Question 49. Which of the following banks was formed by nationalization in 1969? B. Punjab National Bank. Question 50. What are the main resources of regional rural banks? A. Share capital, deposits and refinance.
अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और भी जीके एमसीक्यू क्विज के लिए।